We don't often take regard of this, but it's a little bit important. Let's acknowledge this today. Pronunciation of F, the letter F and the letter V. F and V, we already know. You can hear actually how they pronounce. They are
F and V. So the F sound and the V sound.
I wanted to say this word using only your lip, lower lip, and upper teeth. Only lip and teeth. I call them lip and teeth. We've got fall, fan, foot, fit, fun, coffee or coffee, chief, fair, found, fail, fair, and failure. There's gonna be a video on this, so stick around. It's not failure but failure. Fame, famous, fell, find, and fret, feet, football, or football. Either one is correct. Okay, let's look at them again slowly this time and once. Fall, fan, foot, fit, fun, coffee, chief, fair, found, fail, fair, failure, fame, famous, fell, fine, fret, feet, football or football. Now to words that start or have a V sound, right? V. Okay, let's start with the first one. Van, very, every, veer, veep, vim, via, vi, vintage, vest, vote, vice, vase, verse, verb, vigor, vigorous, valor, valiant, vigorously, the last one, vigorously. Alright, let's take the words once again, and this time slowly, and we're done. Van, very, every, veer, veep, vim, vet, via, vi, vintage, vest, vote, vice, vase, verse, verb, vigor, vigorous, valor, valiant, vigorously. Thank you so much for using that. I think that's about the class for today. It's not class, is it? That's just about the game. Let's just say it's game, okay? Well, intentional game. Maybe it's not intentional class anyways. So just like a reminder, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel for more useful videos on how to improve your English. Thanks a lot for everything. Thank you for your select.